Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to add two images side by side in Word. Let's access the Word file. From the Insert menu, click on Pictures and then on this device. Select the image you will use and click Insert. Now repeat this process to add the second image that will be on the other side of the document. After that, select the first image. From the Size field, adjust the dimension so that the image looks ideal when adjusted. Select the second image and from Size, also adjust its dimension so that it is similar to the first image. When you do, select the first image. Here, from the Pictures Format menu, click on Wrap Text and choose the option in front of text. You are going to select the second image, click on Wrap Text and select in front of text. Now you are going to fit each image to each side of the document. If you want to move them simultaneously, select an image, press the Shift key and click on the other image. When they are selected, you can move them at the same time. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.